Welcome to this demonstration of intelligent solutions for insurance agency management from Microsoft, seen from the point of view of a territory manager. Microsoft is helping insurance companies redefine how they do business by empowering them to engage more effectively with agencies, gain insights on agent performance, and leverage AI to improve all interactions. Joe Atkins is a territory manager with Contoso Insurance, who uses intelligent solutions for insurance agency management from Microsoft to review agency performance in her region. Joe's job performance is measured by the success of the agencies she manages. The Territory Dashboard in Dynamics 365 provides a snapshot view of her agency's performance. On the left, in the Relationship Assistant pane, she can see system-generated alerts about new agency activity. On the right, she can see her agency development pipeline and top 5 agencies. Down below, she can see a list of the agencies in the lead stage of development, along with AI-generated performance predictions for each, based on current and historical data. Through the power of Microsoft AI Service Insights, the system has detected a high-volume topic. A large number of inquiries about flood insurance are coming from Van Arsdale Insurance Agency. Here in the agency record, Joe can see the agency's relationship status with her company and high-level details. She can also see a timeline of recent activity and a list of leads that Contoso has passed along. Joe can switch tabs to get a complete view of the agency's performance, including overall loss ratio and overall policy goals. She can even see policy goals broken out by net new and renewal policies. Because this is a strong-performing agency with a solid relationship, Joe decides to set up a training meeting at Van Arsdale to explain flood insurance options. In the meantime, Joe returns to her territory dashboard and drills into the Relationship Assistant case alert about flood insurance that was generated by the virtual agent. Joe reviews the case details, including the customer's information and a timeline of related activities. These activities include the assignment of an underwriter and a transcript of the virtual agent interaction. From here, Joe also has access to a collection of case-related knowledge base articles, including information about the National Flood Insurance Program and products Contoso offers outside of that program, which will help her prepare for the upcoming training meeting. To make the most of her trip, Joe takes a look at Market Insights, which uses reports driven by Power BI to see if she should meet with any other agencies after visiting Van Arsdale. She notices that one of the markets covered by the agency is severely underperforming in terms of market share, and she drills down to take a look. Of the 3 agencies covering this market, she sees that one of them, Litware, has an extremely high loss ratio. She also notices that one of her highly rated lead agencies, Fabricam, also covers this market, so she makes an appointment to discuss expanding their relationship and possibly replacing the struggling Litware agency. On the way to visit Van Arsdale, Joe uses her Surface device to review her day's appointments and check the performance of her agencies. She can review insights about the agency's performance over time, upcoming renewals, and recent activities and transactions, so she's well prepared for the meeting. After meeting with the agency, Joe can quickly record what was discussed by using a pre-built form, and she can add important notes, such as to follow up with any new hires to ensure they're up to speed on flood insurance options as well. As you've just seen, Microsoft is helping insurance companies redefine how they do business by empowering them to engage more effectively with agencies, gain insights on agent performance, and leverage AI to improve all interactions. For more information, please contact your Microsoft representative or visit our website.